Interferons are kind of one of our key antiviral cytokines. So they act as kind of a military that goes and starts setting up like fortresses in all the other surrounding cells. So they're basically the molecules that kind of alert everybody else around you that, hey, there's a pathogen here, get ready, make sure you don't get infected, and be ready for the invasion.
We know that they have the important antiviral cytokines, right? But we also know that they are also quite important in the homeostatic states in the healthy body.
Even in the absence of an infection or a pathogen, these interferons are really playing key roles to make sure the barriers are happy and healthy.
So in the lab, we are majorly focusing on the type 3 interferons because of their nature. So they're quite important in the epithelial surfaces because their receptor only express in those tissues, which means that they're only sensed by these organs or mucosal surfaces.
Our first roles are really kind of going into the molecular detail and really trying to grasp what the cells are doing and how they're using each of these interferons for their antiviral or antipathogen functions.
I think this is quite important to understand how these tissue homeostasis and the response to any kind of pathogens are quite important to regulate the health of these tissues.
We're kind of, one of the few or maybe a handful of people that are really kind of looking at this. So it's a really exciting way that we can know that we're really paving the future and that we're really the only ones kind of going down this path. But we know that it can have really big implications. So they were doing clinical trials with some of the type 3 interferons for the SARS-CoV-2 pandemic. So if we can really understand these better, we might be in a better place if there's another pandemic that comes up or things that we don't know how to treat, that if we can understand them better, then we can kind of be the ones that step up and really kind of help make sure we're getting good therapies to the future or for future possible pandemics.